Beryllium guards wounded following robbery attempt in Arborview. 3 shot, 2 fatally at candlelight vigil in St. James. Taxi operator killed, mother hospitalized following Manchester gun attack. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 Beryllium security guards are receiving medical treatment following another armed attack on one of the security company's courier vehicles on Tuesday afternoon. The attack occurred at the Total Energies gas station in Arborview, Kingston. It is reported that about 12:55 p.m., 2 of the security guards went inside the Jamaica National ATM to reload the machine when a black motor vehicle with armed men drove up to the busy plaza. A man armed with a rifle alighted from the vehicle and sprayed bullets at the third guard who was providing cover. The gunmen were unsuccessful in their bid to get cash, while the getaway vehicle was later found abandoned in the Arborview community. Gunmen struck in Sam Sharp Square, St. James on Tuesday night, leaving 2 people dead and a third admitted in hospital. The deceased are 35-year-old Jeffrey Woodstock, a fruit vendor off Greens, Norwood and Crawford Street in Mount Salem, and 27-year-old Kitania Tomlinson, a car rental operator of Providence Heights in Flanker. The shooting occurred at a candlelight vigil about 10:15 p.m. Information reaching the news media is that people had gathered at the vigil for a man who was murdered in the community of Paradise last week when armed thugs approached them and opened fire. Woodstock, Tomlinson, and a third man were shot. They were taken to hospital where Woodstock and Tomlinson were pronounced dead. The injured man is in serious condition. A taxi operator was shot dead, his mother wounded, and 4 of his relatives, including 3 children, left traumatized after men reportedly opened fire on the family in Greenvale, Manchester on Tuesday night. More details to come following further investigations.